Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix no sound issue after upgrading Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow in some cases you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. After that upgrade, you might be noticed that your Windows 11, whenever you try to playing any video or music, you're not hearing any sound. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix that issue. So in order to do that, you need to right click over in your Windows 11 this PC and then click here manage. After click over manage, you're going to see skin appear just like this. Click here device manager and then you're going to see skin appear just like this. In downside, you're going to find something says sound, video and games control extended. And then obviously you know which is the output device for your PC or laptop. Mine is Realtek R audio. So you need to first right click over on it, click here update driver and then you're going to see skin appear just like this. From here, first of all, try search automatic for driver and then hopefully within this step maybe your no sound issue going to be fixed. If it is not, then again right click over on it and click here update driver and click here browse my computer for drivers and click here let me pick up from a list available drivers on my computer and choose the model and click here next, and after that restart your PC and then see is it working or not. If it is not working, let me go again in the same section, go up, or you're going to find something say audio input and output. Just extend it and then you're going to find here something say speaker Realtek audio, which is my one. So you might be different name. Just right click over on it and click here update driver. First choose search automatic for driver. If there is any update, it's going to be fixed. If it is not, then again go right click over on it, click here update driver and click here browse my computer for drivers and click here let me pick up from a list of available driver on my computer and choose any of this model. First try this model. If it is working fine, that's great. If it is not, then try another one and click here next, and after done restart your PC and then see is it working or not. Hopefully within this way you might be fixed your Windows 11 no sound issue. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.